Hey folks, just a quick video on fixing my Y pipe on my 03 4Runner. I had this style flange. I've had issues with it way too many times, kind of sick of messing with it. I've repaired it and replaced the end a couple times, or the end was replaced at least once on one side, and I'm kind of sick of it. So I'm done with this, and on another video from somebody messing with exhaust, I heard about these V-bands, I think they call them. They use them for turbos and exhausts and such. And this piece is welded. I have already welded that onto here. I gotta finish welding this on, and you can see this thing's got a little lip that fits nice in there, and it's a nice tight clamp, nice tight fit, and then there's a clamp that goes around this. I'll show you when it's all in, but this looks like it'll be real nice, easy to remove, take apart if need be. Nice good seal, nice and strong, solid. The other thing I found on this is where these two pipes come together. It was starting to leak out of here, so I cleaned it up in between. I ran a piece of 1/8 inch steel wire around that, clamped it in there with my big clamp, my big vice grips. Started kind of, worked a little bit at a time, tacked it till it was right up to the edge there, and then I filled it all in, so that's not going to leak anymore. So I'll show you once this is done and in the truck, but hopefully this is useful to somebody, because these things, so far, they look like they work great. So here's the Y pipe back in the vehicle. You can see the V-band. This we'll go over. This is not easy with one hand. Like that. Just tighten down. Clamps it all together. I would have liked to have welded this on. I'm just gonna put the standard exhaust clamp on it, because this pipe will probably fail first, and really this truck only has another year or two left in it to be roadworthy, so this will do the job. Again, that's the part I repaired also, because it was leaking from there. But this, where these two come together, this pipe over here that goes to that side, and the Y pipe here, which you can't get anymore, I don't think, at least not from Toyota. That flange has always been an issue, so hopefully this will do the job, and I'll show you a picture at the end of what it looks like. But I'm just about done. It really didn't take all that long. Yeah, you'd have to do some welding. Obviously, this is a weld-on fit. The AutoZone piece right there that happened to fit over this pipe. This pipe is really thick. It's multi-layered. I'm sure if I would have found something aftermarket, that would be crap. So, yeah, this couple layers there also. This pipe that layered up to that I already had. This one I had to buy. And of course the V-band I bought, which is, I don't know, $10 or $15, nothing much. That was like $5, so maybe a $20 repair here, plus time and supplies. So hopefully this will work out good. I kind of like these clamps, they really lock together nice. Alright, so this is our finished product for this. There was a bit of a gap between the two, but those easily tightened right up, closed it right up. That was part of the reason I waited to put this clamp on and didn't weld this here, so that would close up really well. Yeah, so that should do. Start it up, check for leaks, and call it a day for this. Hopefully ready for winter now. Thanks for watching.